All right, students, everyone is talking about the right way to sneeze, and I know that your favorite trick is me sneezing, so I am making a video to demonstrate the wrong way to sneeze and then the correct way to sneeze. I will have me demonstrate the wrong way and a human demonstrate the correct way.
And Captain, achoo! Good boy!
All right, students, there it is. I sneezed the wrong way. My spit and snot flew all over Mrs. Moore. The human sneezed the correct way. He covered his mouth and his nose so his sneeze did not fly out. Stay safe. Cover your sneeze. Cover your cough.